Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Grade 10 students, the last video we discussed the answers of exercise 9.2. We discussed 5 questions, the answer of first 5 questions. We have another 2 more questions in this exercise. So today's video we are going to discuss the 6th and 7th question answer. Okay, like the previous questions, they gave a description in 6th question. The first part of the question, we need to draw a figure using the information. Okay, we'll draw a rough sketch, then we'll find the answers. In triangle ABC, B is a right angle. So it's a right angular triangle. So ABC, the B angle is a right angle. Okay, then BD has been drawn perpendicular to AC. A perpendicular is drawn to AC from B. So from B, we need to draw a straight line. That straight line is perpendicular to AC. The meeting point is D. Okay, and then the point E lies on AC. So they are talking about another point like D, another point E is there on AC, or such that CE equals CB. Exactly, we don't know the length of CB. So whether the E is under the D or the upper part of the D. Okay, we don't know. So we take 2 places because we are drawing a rough sketch. So after we take completing the rough sketch, we can get the exact point of E. Okay, so now for roughly we take E here or there, we don't know. Okay, those are the details. So we go for the question. So then we can get the exact point of E. The second question they are asking, prove that ABD. So ABD is this angle. ABD, this angle, is bisected by BE. So they want to ask to prove BE is a bisector of ABD. So it cannot be here. The BE line, it cannot be here. So it's wrong. The position of E, it's wrong. It's upper part of the D. So we can get the idea. We can get the real sketch. So we are going to draw. The first part of the question, they asked to draw the figure. In geometry, the figure is most the elementary one, because without the figure we can't go for answers. So B is a right angle, C A. So we have another perpendicular line which is D. Okay, the BE line is also there. So we need to prove these 2 angles are equal. I mark it as X and Y. In the previous question also, we discussed how to show a bisector. Okay. So if we can prove X equal Y, so B going to be bisect the ABD angle. Okay. First we take the ABC triangle. ABC triangle. We take ABC triangle. We mark the angle C as theta. Angle C is theta. Okay, so the B angle is 90, the C angle is theta. So what about the A angle? So it's 90 minus theta, because the sum is under the 90. You know that 90 plus theta plus A is equal under the 80. So what is A? So if we change it, it's 90 minus theta. So that's why we put 90 minus theta. Now we go for triangle BDC, because another 90 minus theta is there. If you take the BDC triangle, the D angle is 90. This angle we named as theta. So the remaining angle, we can name this angle as 90 minus theta. Okay. right? And then we have data, the BC and CE are equal. BC and CE are equal. So consider BCE triangle. The BCE triangle, the BC side opposite to E angle and the CE side opposite to these two angles. So we can get this angle in the y and theta, 90 minus theta plus y. So y plus 90 minus theta, because those angles are equal. We are considering CBE triangle. Okay, now we have this angle. Now we can go for the ABE triangle. Because ABE triangle, we have a X angle, we name it 90 minus theta. If you add these two is equal to this angle, because exterior sum. Consider ABE triangle. So ABE triangle, X plus 90 minus theta is equal to Y plus 90 minus theta. So we can cut it off 90 minus theta. If you move other side, it will cancel. So the remaining are X equal Y. So that's what we want. X equal Y. If X and Y are equal angles, the B is bisector of the ABD angle. So that is our answer. So that is the idea. So we go for it. Okay, this is how we are going to use the figure. In these days, we are not doing an exam. We are studying. So we need to take time and we need to analyze this like this, the figures, and we need to improve ourselves how to get the answer. ஓகே, நீங்க கவலைப்பட வேணாம். நான் யோசிக்கிற நேரம் இப்படி எனக்கு ஐடியா வரலைன்னு கவலைப்பட வேணாம். இப்ப நாங்க ஆன்சர் டிஸ்கஷன் வீடியோ செய்யறதே அதனால தான். Because of that, I do this answer answer discussion, because if we discuss the answer like that, you can get some knowledge, you can get some idea. So with this knowledge, if in future you can made like this, you can create ideas like this. So that's why we made this answer discussion video. Okay, அதனால நீங்க கவலைப்பட வேணாம், ரைட்? நீங்களும் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் ஆன்சர் எடுத்திருப்பீங்க நான் நம்புறேன். ஸோ உங்களோட ஆன்சரை நீங்க அதுக்கு ஆன்சருக்கு யோசித்த விதங்களையும் நீங்க இப்ப செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. இப்படி நாங்க இப்ப கிரேட் 10ல இருக்கிறோம். இப்பதான் நாங்க ஜியோமெட்ரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பேசிக்ஸ்ல இருக்கிறோம். இப்ப நாங்க ஐடியாக்களை இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோ டிஸ்கஷன் செஞ்சு நாங்க ஐடியாக்களை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணினா, கிரியேட் பண்ணினா எங்களுக்கு புறவைக்கு கிரேட் 11ல கிரேட் 10ல மேல நாங்க போறோம்னா எங்களுக்கு நிறைய இன்னும் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு. அங்க உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா ஐடியாவை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப், for the answer we are going to take triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, we are going to use the interior sum. So 90 plus BAC plus ACB is equal to 180. So reason, sum of interior angle of a triangle. Write it in full form. Sum of interior angle of a triangle. So from this, we need to take the A angle. So that, which means BAC. So BAC is equal to 180 minus 90 minus ACB. So the ACB we marked as theta. The ACB angle is we marked as theta. Right? அதே கன்செப்டை நாங்க செய்யறோம், theta இல்லாம நாங்க செய்யறோம். So 180 minus 90 minus ACB. So BAC equal 90 minus ACB. Okay, first data we take. And second, we are going to deal with triangle BDC. In triangle, similarly, same way we are going to use. Similarly, in triangle BDC, the same interior sum, we are going to take this angle. Okay, so we can write it directly. What is this angle name? CBD. So CBD is equal to 90 and BAC, sorry, ACB, so 90 minus ACB. Okay, so that is the second part we need for the answer. Okay, in third, we can go for the BCE triangle. So in BCE triangle, so we are going to use BC equals CE, the data. BC equal CE. The data is given. From that, we can take CBE is equal to CEB. CEB. Okay, CBE, it is contains two angles. CBE is a sum of two angles. So we can rename it. So one of the angle is CBD. CBD plus the other angle is Y. That is our concerning angle. So we name it DBE. DBE is equal to CEB. Okay, if you consider CEB angle, CEB is the exterior angle. Okay, so but CEB is equal to the other angle, X angle, ABE. ABE plus BAC. We name it BAC. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. That is the full form. Exterior angle equals to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, so we can substitute ABE, BAC instead of CEB. So CBD plus DBE is equal to ABE plus BAC. Okay, go for the first one. BAC is equal to 90 minus ACB. And CBD is equal also 90 minus ACB. So from 1 and 2, we can write from 1, 2, we can write both BAC and CBD are equal because both are 90 minus ACB. So BAC equals CBD. So instead of BAC, we can replace CBD here. So CBD plus DBE is equals to ABE plus BAC. We can rename CBD because we prove it. Okay. So if we check this equation now, the both of the sides we have CBD, we can cut it off. So finally, DBE equals to ABE. So what is the name we gave for DBE? DBE is Y. So what is ABE? ABE is X. So that is our primary idea. We need to prove X equal Y. So now we prove it X equal Y in names DBE and ABE. So from that we can write, so therefore finally BE is the bisector of angle ABD, because there are two parts of ABD here, namely DBE and ABE. We prove that those are equals. So which means B is the bisector of ABD. So finally, the step B is bisector of ABD. Okay, the seventh question given, prove that the angles in an equilateral triangle are 60. So we know what is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equals to each other. So we name it a triangle ABC. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So all three sides are equals to each other, which means equilateral triangle. Okay. So what is the question they have given? We name the angles X and Y and Z. So they asked to prove X, Y, Z, each angle equals to 60. All three angles are individually equals to 60. Okay. So first we take two sides of the triangle. We take AB and BC. If we take AB and BC, the opposite angle of AB, we name it as, sorry, this angle is Z. Is Z. The opposite angle of BC is Y. So we can take Y equals Z on first part. And then we take BC and AC. So if you take BC, the opposite side is Y. Opposite angle is Y, sorry. The opposite angle of AC is X. Opposite angle of AC X. So first we take a connection between Y and Z angle. Y, Z are equal according to the theory. And then we take another angle equals to Y. So Y is equal to X. So which means X, Y, Z are equal. Okay. So what is the sum of these three angles? X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180. So those three are equals. So we can name with the individual angle. So 3x equal 180. So x equal 180 over 3, which means 60. So all the angles are 60. So first we take AB and BC side. AB is equals to BC. So that is our data. So from AB and BC, from AB side AB and BC, the BAC angle is equals to ACB angle. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That is the theory. Similarly, BAC equals to the Y angle equals to the X angle. X angle is ABC. With the same reason, angles opposite to equal sides, BAC and ABC are equal. So in this two steps, we have BAC as a common angle. So therefore, we can write ACB is equals to ABC, which means those three are equal. ACB, ABC is equals to BAC. So now we can go for interior sum. So we can take one of the angle because all three are equal. We prove that. So we take ABC. So 3 ABC is equal to 180 because sum of interior angle of a triangle. So ABC, it's 60. So when the ABC is 60, all three angles are equal. Individually, all three angles are 60. So in here we need to recall something we studied in grade 7, grade 8, I think. Equilateral triangle means, so we recheck the data from this proof. That is the idea of this question. Equilateral triangle means it's not all the sides are equal. Not only all the sides are equal, also the angles are equal. So equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal, all three angles are equal. The value magnitude of the angles are equal. That is the real concept. So in this proof, in this question, we recheck it. If the three sides are equal on a triangle, conformly those three angles are equal. Okay, that is the part we need to remember from this question. So all 7 questions we discussed here, exercise 9.2.